Good morning, children. I hope you had a lovely Easter break. And today we are going to start learning again. And Tuesday is Maths Day and Spanish Day from now on. So we are going to learn how to find change. So you have been learning how to add money. And now you're going to learn how to find change, which means if you buy something, if the things that you buy cost €5 and then you have €10, so you get €5 change. So you have to subtract when you are finding change. Now I'm going to revise just a bit, and I'm sure you know it very well now. The euro coins, the banknotes, and the money in the place value chart. Why is it important? Because we are still going to use place value chart to find change. And I'm using this because I think it's the easiest way for me to understand how to place the money, especially when it has the cents. And I hope it will help you as well. So let's say today, the first example, you want to buy these books and they cost €1.53 and you pay €2. The question is, how much change would you get? So you're going to place the numbers in the place value chart, and remember, when you are finding change, you're going to subtract, which means you're going to subtract the bigger number with the small number. So you have €2 in the place value chart, and you have 2 ones and 0 tens and hundreds, and you have €1.53, and we are going to subtract. Now, most of the subtractions that we have in here is subtraction with regrouping, so which means you need to carry over, you need to borrow more from the neighbor. So let's say we need to subtract from the back, so we are starting from the hundreds. We are going to subtract 0, take away 3. Obviously we can't do that, we cannot take 3 if you have nothing, so you're going to borrow it from the tenth. But we have a problem here, the tenth doesn't have any either to give you, so you need to borrow it from the ones. Now you're taking 1 for the tens, so you have 1 left in the ones, and then the tenth you have 10 because you are giving it to the tenth. So this tenth, you have extra 10 now to give it to the hundreds, so the tenth will be 9th. So you have the 9th now to give it, you have the 9th left, and you have given 10 hundreds. So you have now the numbers, and you have 10 take away 3 equals 7, 9 take away 5 equals 4, and 1 take away 1 equals 0. So €2 take away €1.53 equals 47 cents. Now the example, you're going to buy these crayons for €3.28 and you pay €3.50. How much change would you get? We're going to put the numbers in the place value chart, and we're going to do a column subtraction. So we start from the hundreds. 0 take away 8. Nah, you can't do that. So you're going to borrow that from the tens. So you are giving 1/10 to the hundreds. So you have 4 tens left, and you have 10 hundredths now that you can use to subtract. So you have 10 take away 8 equals 2, 4 take away 2 equals 2, and 3 take away 3 equals 0. So 3 euros and 50 cents take away 3 euros and 28 cents equals 22 cents. Another example. Now you want to buy this cute teddy bear for 22 euros and 65 cents and you pay 25 euros. So how much change would you get? Again, we're going to use the place value chart. You're putting all your numbers and we're going to subtract. 100, 0, take away 5. You can't, so you need to borrow from the 10th. But the 10th doesn't have any, so the 10th has to borrow it from the ones. So we take 1 from the ones, which will become 4, and then we add 1 to the 10, so it will be tenths, because 10 tens equals 100. Remember, 1 euro equals 100 cents. And then we have extra tenths now to give it to the hundreds. So we have 9 left because we are going to give 1/10 to the hundreds. So we have 10 hundreds. So now we can subtract. We have 10 take away 5 equals 5. 9 tenths take away 6 tenths equals 3 tenths. And then we have 4 take away 2 equals 2, and 2 take away 2 equals 0. So 25 euros take away 22 euros and 65 cents equals 2 euros and 35 cents. So I hope this explanation helps you how to find change, especially how to subtract using column subtractions, and especially how to carry your subtractions, because here when you are finding change you will have to do a lot of carrying subtractions. It means you have to borrow it from the other values. So if you have any questions, please ask me. Just drop me a message or post your questions in your portfolio and I will be happy to explain your questions. Thank you.